Howdy folks, this here's Heath Ward and this is Frontier Survival. You know, it's been about a month since I have uploaded a video on YouTube, and the only reason is the weather's been kind of rough. We've had a lot of rain and I can't just go out in the woods and film in the rain. I just can't do it. But with that being said, also about a month ago I did post a video on my Facebook page, known by the same name, Frontier Survival, of course. And I asked my followers if they would rather see me build a bushcraft camp chair, you know, do a video on that, or do a video on me doing commentary, you know, and talk about cold weather survival. Well, there wasn't a ton of votes, but with what came in, the bushcraft camp chair won. You know, I've been trying to get this out there for a while, but today's the day. So without no further ado, let's go get out in the woods and build that bushcraft camp chair. Stick with me. Hello folks, we're back in the woods, just like I told you. That's right, we're on the lookout for the perfect sapling, whether it be standing or on the ground, you know, not dead of course, to build a bushcraft camp chair. All we need is a sapling long enough that we can get 3-4 foot sections out of to build a tripod, and we'll go from there. And we'll show you how to build a comfortable but sturdy bushcraft camp chair. By cracky folks, I think we found a couple good ones here. Let's go ahead and delimb them. We'll see what we can do from there. First, we take out our trusty old hickory butcher knife. Y'all can remember the video I did on that a while back. Actually, building a bushcraft chair is just another good piece of art when it comes to bushcraft. There's all kinds of things that you can do in the woods. And bushcraft or woodcraft or campcraft, what that means is that you go into the woods with a minimal kit, but utilize the natural resources you have in the woods to build certain things. Now, of course, right now, I do have a pretty good amount of gear with me, but, you know, that's beside the point. All right, well, we'll see if we can cut these down a little bit here. And right here's my trusty folding saw. It's the Ozark Trail folding saw from Walmart. It's not the best, but it's not bad. Okay, one down, one more to go. All right, we got a couple saplings cut down. What we want to do now is cut 3 4-foot sections to make a tripod. I have me some paracord here, a hank of paracord that I can use to lash around and the top of the tripod, you know, to get it going, and then, you know, from there we'll show you how that tripod becomes a bushcraft chair. All right, we talked about exactly how you make a bushcraft chair. You know, I talked about how we had to have, you know, 4-foot pieces to make the tripod. Well, I already pre-cut those off camera, so, you know, to save a little time, we're going to go ahead and try to get this thing together. First, I have right here 3 pieces of sapling. Right here. Down here. Off camera here, I have right, here's my trusty paracord, as you see. Put all these together, like so. Start wrapping the paracord around it. What we call lashing. You get that good and tight, and you get your knife out. Cut you off there where you can tie this somewhat. Now you got your tripod, as you see. Then you want to get a couple pieces tied around here for a seat. right there is what you call a bushcraft chair. Thanks very much.